Hey, my friend Garrett here, and are you looking for an online sales pro review? Maybe you've been hearing about this system, maybe you've been recommended this by someone else, and you want to know, is it worth investing your hard-earned money into? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you actually through the back office what you can look forward to if you decide to get this, if you decide to go forward with this, and also, what the training is really like, how you can kind of create some of the funnels, as well as towards the very end, I'm going to let you in on how you can get over $297 worth of training totally free. And this is the training that I've been personally put together on how I've been able to create, over 15,000 email leads, and many of them have been through Online Sales Pro. Okay, so you definitely want to stick around. Okay, so now I'm in Online Sales Pro, the back office. Okay, I'm actually on my account, and the first thing you're going to notice when you go through Online Sales Pro is your dashboard. Okay, now this is going to be a daily pulse on how many leads you're actually generating. When you want to build a business online, when you want to generate income, you need to be generating consistent leads. Okay, this is interested people that are basically checking out your website, your sales page, your company presentation. Now, with Online Sales Pro, the way it works is you actually get access to capture pages, to different funnels. You can basically customize it, and I'm going to share with you that in a second. But every time someone puts their email in and submits it on your capture page, it's going to register as a lead in your lead history right here. Okay, so as you get more and more leads, you'll see that there. Now, also, I want to draw your attention to the bottom left, okay, because one thing to note while I'm on this page is there's two main options when it comes to, there's actually three, but there's two main ones that when you come to Online Sales Pro, you want to see if you want to do. The first option is the basic $37 a month. Okay, now this is a pretty good option. You're going to get a lot of the benefits of an Online Sales Pro membership, but there's also VIP and MVP. Okay, I know these are higher priced, but you can pay, I think it's like $297 for the entire year, and rather than paying monthly, you're actually getting access to this for the entire year, which is pretty good for most people. But now I want to go into Edit, okay, because that's the next tab. Now, Edit is where you're going to actually find your pages, your capture pages, where this all is customizable. Okay, so maybe you're in affiliate marketing, you promote ClickBank products, you're a network marketer, you're in Forex, you're in the health and fitness niche. If you're in one of those things, you're a coach, consultant, Online Sales Pro is going to allow you to create customizable pages that you send people to. Okay, so you generate prospects promoting on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and you send those people to your capture page. And then when they put their email in, you successfully generated a lead. Now, the reason you want to do this is, as I open the quick templates, I'll share with you the templates in a second, but the reason you want to do this is because as people go and put their email in, you're going to be able to follow up through email marketing. Okay, email marketing. Now, I personally use the email autoresponder service called Aweber. Okay, with Online Sales Pro, you do need an email autoresponder that hooks up to Online Sales Pro. Okay, so whether it's GetResponse, MailChimp, Aweber. Again, I personally recommend Aweber simply because I've tested a lot of the other ones. And when you go to send out your emails, deliverability, right? How many people are actually receiving that email is a very important thing you want to keep in your mind. Now, I've tried Aweber and I've tried some of the other ones. Aweber for me seems to be the best deliverability. So I'm going to include a link below where you can actually try out Aweber for 30 days, and you can hook it up to Online Sales Pro very simply. But if I go to the quick templates, you can see that from some of the top niches, the top categories of different businesses out there, they have templates. Okay, so Forex templates. If I go to Forex, you can see right here that these pages, okay, and if I open this in a new tab, you're going to see that these capture pages are tailored towards the template that you picked. Okay, so for example, if you're in the Forex market, this could be a drag and drop, plug and play, done for you capture page. okay? And you can see the headline right here. You can change the headline, okay, to make it a little bit more customizable. But if you pick the template and you're in Forex, learn to trade Forex like Wall Street. Make $200 plus per day quickly and easily. Now, what I want to share with you also is this destination URL. Okay, a lot of my students who decide to join Online Sales Pro, who click the link below in my videos, they go ahead and they get this, they go ahead and go through it and they see the lead flow come in, but they want to know exactly what this destination URL is. And that's where is the person going to be sent to after they submit their email. Okay, so after they go to this page, and I'll share with you in a second, this is the URL that you're going to send them to. Now, what do I recommend from my 4+ years of marketing experience? I recommend if you're just starting out, send that directly to your sales video or your sales page or your company presentation, okay? But don't just send people directly to your sales page. You know, if you're on Instagram or you're on Facebook and you've been currently sending people directly to your company website with no way to capture that email address or find out who's actually visiting your site, you're leaving large stacks of money on the table. The reason is it takes on average about 7 exposures for someone to buy, 7 exposures for someone to feel that strong desire within them to make a purchase, right? So if you're not following up or you don't know who's actually seeing your website, you're losing tons of money. You're only going to be making sales on the 1%, the 1 out of 100 people to get to your website that buys instantly. So the 99% that takes up to 7 times, you want to follow up through email. And again, that's going to be by capturing the person's email address on the capture page. So again, this destination URL, I'll leave it with the Facebook and I'll show you in a second. When you're done, you're just going to hit save and preview, okay? And again, they have weight loss templates. They have a lot of different templates you can really play with as you get started. By the way, at any time in this video below, if you want to just get started with this now, maybe you want to just start playing around or you want to follow it as I'm explaining in this video, feel free to click the link below, go to that link, and then you'll put your email in. You'll get taken to the overview from the creator himself, and you can go ahead and invest in your business, invest in your life, pay the very tiny investment, and start going through this, okay? So now right here, right? Learn to trade Forex like Wall Street. Okay, so this is what we created, right? This is the headline. So again, you're gonna be sending people to this page or a page, again, in the health and fitness niche, in the weight loss niche, in the make money online niche, whatever niche you're in, you're gonna send people to this page. Now, they're gonna enter their email address. So let me share with you just a made up email address real quick. If I hit learn more, it's gonna redirect to the Online Sales Pro Facebook page. Because if you remember, that was the link, that it was the destination URL. So you wanna, again, make that your company presentation, your sales video, see how it redirects to Facebook, right? So again, this will be the destination of whatever you want, whatever you're trying to sell, whatever you're promoting, okay? But that's how it works. You know, some of the other templates really quick, skincare, okay? Look how beautiful these amazing templates are. You can literally just, you know, select, customize it a little bit, or just really plug and play. I mean, you don't even need to customize it, and that's really, really powerful. Now, if I go to third-party funnels, okay, third-party funnels, that is basically where you can select one of these funnels, okay? Maybe you're in a specific company. Maybe you are in USI. Maybe you're in Trifecta, the Internet Royalty System, MCA, Easy One Up, Digital Altitude, etc. You can literally click one, and boom, now you have Digital Altitude funnel. Okay, so this is the funnel for Digital Altitude. So essentially, you can promote this, and if you're in Digital Altitude, you already have a very, very powerfully converting funnel. Okay, again, if you're in Internet Royalty System, there you go, and they give you a sales video, you know, etc. Okay, very, very powerful. Autoresponder, that's where you're going to basically connect your Aweber. Again, I have it below for 30 days. You can try it out. Now, leads, you can go in there. I don't want to open that tab. That's going to share with you in real time all the email addresses of all the people that you're getting email addresses from, okay? Now, resources. Resources, very, very powerful, because what this is going to be is this is going to walk you through the getting started. It's going to be the tour on exactly how it all works, kind of like what I'm doing right now. The system training, Okay, this is going to be like how to download the app. There's actually an app on your phone that has all these overcoming objection lines that you can just copy and paste when someone gives you the, oh, they can't afford it or they don't have enough time. You actually have copy paste objection handling things you can paste from the app to people through the messenger. Marketing training, okay, this is really, really powerful. This is from some of the top people online on how you can actually start generating leads and making sales, okay? Like Ray Higdon, you got Cedric Harris, okay, some top people, over an hour of training, very powerful. You can go to the affiliate, okay? Now, if you go to the affiliate tab, what I want to bring your attention to, again, is Online Sales Pro is powerful because not only can you, at the link below, when you go ahead and get this today, not only are you going to be able to create all these funnels, these beautiful capture pages for your business, but you can actually turn around and promote Online Sales Pro as an affiliate. Okay, you just simply fill out the W-2 or the W-9, I believe, W-9 form, right? If you're in the United States, or if you're in, across seas, it's the W-8 form, I believe. They walk you through that, and then once you're registered as an affiliate, you can actually promote this, and we earn $20 a month for every single person, and it's it's very, very powerful. If I go to links, that's basically where you find all your affiliate links. Again, if you want to promote Online Sales Pro, you can go to OSP Marketing. This is really powerful. This is going to be basically explaining how to build a list. Okay, if you don't know, the money is in the list. The list is your audience. Okay, right now I'm on YouTube, and the list is my subscribers. Okay, if you're on Facebook, your list is your Facebook friends or your Facebook likes on your fan page. That's your list. But you need to build a good sized list. The bigger the list, typically the more money you're gonna make. So with the list building secrets, you're gonna walk you through, specific training on how to build a list, how to market to the list, and how to start bringing in money. And all these trainings are done by very, very successful people. If I go to the commissions, you can see your up-to-date earnings on how much money you're flowing in, and etc. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this. Now, one thing before I get going, like I said, I was gonna share with you how you can actually get over $297 worth of training for free. Now, at the link below, I have my Online Sales Pro affiliate link. Now, this is my affiliate link, but when you click that link below and sign up through my link, you're gonna be able to access this training as a total free bonus. Now, this training, it's 3 powerful modules, okay? Number 1 is my Facebook lead frenzy formula. Now, a lot of people starting off online, they don't have a lot of money for paid advertising, right? They don't have a lot of money to basically invest hundreds of dollars a day on running Facebook ads. So what this training is my 4-step ad posting formula to literally generate hundreds of interested people commenting on your Facebook posts totally for free. And then once they comment, you can actually inbox those people, sending them more information, sending them your capture page link from Online Sales Pro. And again, this works powerfully no matter what niche you're in. I mean, I've generated hundreds of comments on my posts, and I share with you exactly what to say and even some case studies so you can just copy and paste what I've done. Bonus number 2 is how to actually get people taking action. Okay, a lot of times when you're selling online, you may notice that people say, yeah, I'll do it later or I'll do it tomorrow, and they put off taking action, right? They don't get started immediately. They don't take immediate action. And when people take immediate action, they always get the results quicker, and of course you make money quicker. So in this bonus, I'm gonna teach you one powerful way that I've personally used to generate tons and tons of sales and get tire kickers taking action, right? Getting people to get up and make a decision, right? So bonus number 3 is my copy paste script to convert 90% of leads into sales. Again, as you're generating these leads, as you're generating these people coming to you, what do you actually say in the messages to convert them? Well, I'm gonna share with you step by simple step my exact copy paste script to convert up to 90% of people into sales. It's truly powerful and it's truly, truly incredible. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If it helped you, be sure to leave me a like, comment below if you have any questions, if you need me to answer anything about how Online Sales Pro works, and also be sure to go to the link below, sign up with this, Try it out. They have a money back guarantee, but I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it. And again, I'll share with you the bonus. I'll include my email in the description below. Once you've purchased this today, email me your receipt, your email receipt that you've purchased, and I will shoot you over the private link to this bonus. And I can't wait to have you go through this, my friend, because abundance is our birthright, and I don't hold anything back in these trainings, okay? And you'll never see these bonuses just like this again, okay? So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you